friends, it's Gabby. So today's June 10th is 7:53 a.m. and going to Long Island today. I honestly don't know what we're gonna do there, but I decided to vlog because my sister told me to, so I was like, you know what, let's do it, and it's gonna be fun. We're gonna bring Leo, so this is his first trip basically. So outfit of the day: the shirt is from the flea market, and then the jacket's from Forever 21, belts from Gucci, pants from Uniqlo, and socks from K-Culture. Hello guys, we are at Oyster Bay, and yeah, it's like 9:30, let's say. The view is pretty nice in my opinion.
That'll burn in a few years. Makes me laugh that they care, but I can't help it. I get sucked into all of this bullshit, but I can't help it. I get sucked into all of this bullshit.
Hello, we are at Sagamore Hill. I honestly don't know what this is, but I think it's like Roosevelt's thing. Here's Leo. Daily dose. Leo, your fans are watching.
Cause lately
Hi, Dad.
it's been to be.
Let's go. It is so nice out here. I don't know if I'm too zoomed in or not, but like, I'm sorry if it is.
Someone lately. It's been hard to be. People stopped caring about who you are within.
Our lunch is here, right, Emmy? Right, the king? Theo? Yeah?
But I can't help it. I get
After that, miss you. Okay. Hi. You're missing this good food.
help it. I get something to get all of this bullshit. Cause lately it's been hard to be. Someone lately. It's been hard to be.
Hello, so it is now 5:35 and we just got back from Long Island. It was really fun. We went to a lot of places actually. I enjoyed the trip very much too. The trip made me very nostalgic for some reason. Before we used to travel to Tagaytay, now we're traveling to like Long Island and Oyster Bay and all that. Honestly, I'm looking forward to more trips with my family because I'm pretty sure there's gonna be more than that in like the next coming years. That's what I wanted to say before I ended this video. Yeah, be grateful for what you got to experience because not a lot of people experience that stuff. So yeah, anyway, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, if you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm gay. I'm gonna go head out and redeem me as bright as the sun. Bye. Gulat ako sa'yo.
Bitch, the shit.